Guys, this is Mo Justin Crypto, prior Justin Crypto, and today I will show you what my outlook for Bitcoin in 2025 is. Very condensed value. Stay tuned until the end. We are not gonna make it long, we are gonna make it precise, to the point here, and I'm going to tell you what I do think is the most likely scenario here for Bitcoin. So in my opinion, we are currently for Bitcoin, after all consideration back and forth, we are, in my opinion, within a fifth wave, okay, of this cycle. And within this fifth wave, guys, we are not, in my opinion, at the final end for Bitcoin here, okay? So what I am saying and seeing is that Bitcoin, and this is crypto, guys, okay? Don't get me wrong, Bitcoin is now going to make one more high to reach the official market cycle top, in my opinion, okay? Let me show you guys why and how I do think so. So we need always 5 waves to finish structure. So in this last fifth wave that I just showed you on BTC, I think that this was your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your wave 3, and now you had a wave 4 correction and you're actually coming up in that last fifth wave. So what we are going to do, guys, is going to basically calculate the extension of that fifth wave. So how we do that is we take that low of that wave 2, right? We are going to basically say, okay, this was the first impulse, 5 waves up, correction A, B, C, beautiful. And now we can calculate how high this fifth wave for Bitcoin is likely going to go, okay? And my ideal target here, the 1.618 target here for BTC, in my opinion, the most likely target here is for the official cycle high, guys. Right now speaking, at $133,000, okay? If I would say, okay, we can eventually reach the 0.786, we would come up to as high as $148,000. I do not really see us already topping out here at the 50%, so we can get rid of that. This is my target zone for the official cycle top on BTC. Basically likely to me to happen in Q1 right now coming, okay? But guys, as you remember, maybe in the past for Bitcoin, you also had the official cycle high for Bitcoin here in Q1 back then in April, all right? And you still went higher at the end of the same particular year. So basically what I'm saying and seeing is that I do think Bitcoin, after the official cycle high is in, is going to get a big crush down somewhere into those regions here, eventually confirm market structure here, eventually just go as low as like 80, 90K here, doesn't really matter. Create some kind of structure, and towards the end of the year, when seasonality for crypto kicks in, you're then able to make a new fake high, okay, marginally higher high than the one you had before. Obviously this is crypto and it is very emotional, but I do think that this is your 2025 outlook. So if you had to ask me how I would play it, I would basically do the following. I would now keep my positions, let it run up to 133K, take profits on basically Bitcoin, all right, let it correct a good amount, start to dollar cost average in, let it form bottom either here or there, in my opinion, on that 72K line, all right, and then let it have this fake push. If we want to give it a fractal outlook, and we just want to compare the old bear market and see how it would match up with this price action here for Bitcoin, guys, then we are able to also identify something that eventually is of value for you. So have a look here. If we would compare that fractal and we would say, all right, this would be your high and this would be your chart estimate, basically what is likely going to happen to BTC, then I do think we are likely to correct maybe in that bear market first push down, which is just a fake bear market for the ones that don't understand, because you are going to get one more high, which in my opinion might then go up to like 150 to 200k, somewhere into those ranges, and then you will have your last bear market push in that C wave. So basically, I am saying the official high is gonna happen fairly soon. You will get an A wave down here, an overshooting B wave to kind of get everybody pulled back into crypto, which is not the real high like it wasn't back here. And then you have your bear market C wave back down to eventually like 55k, which would be marking here by the fractal as the bottom here, which would coincident with that structure you had over there, right? This wick here and this wick here would basically be your bottom. Possible. I can't predict that for now. We don't know those extensions and everything, but basically game plan outlook for 2025. Keep your balls cool. Let Bitcoin run up. Let it do its thing in Q1, 133. Run away after that. Let it correct into the summer. Maybe May, maybe June, maybe August. Find a low and come back up basically towards the end of the year. Top somewhere around September, November. If you had to ask me, I would think it takes a bit longer and it will eventually even go a slightly bit higher here. So I would maybe adjust it back to the side that you get your final top maybe again in like October, November instead of December. But I think you get the point. This is my Bitcoin outlook for 2025. And I'm very, very grateful that I can share it with you. I hope you like the content. Smash that subscribe button, share it with your friends if it was valuable and dense value. I want to keep my videos short and very helpful for you guys. So I appreciate you. Mo Justin Crypto out. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.